Welcome to Gambler 007. In this particular video, I will be mainly discussing on Java skill set for today's job market. Okay, before getting into the details, you can subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos and also for updates. Okay, so what is the skill set currently the job market is looking for? And this particular skill set I am giving you based on my recent interview discussions, and not only just based on the interview discussion, I also discuss with my friends and what are the technologies they are working on, and especially medium to large scale organizations. And also, nowadays, what is the latest technologies are coming up. So based on all the parameters, I'm giving the skill set. Of course, there are few technologies I am not giving because even though those are latest, the demand in the market is less. React.js, AngularJS. So Angular, this is for front-end screen. Of course, when you are developing a web application, you need a front-end screen. So that is, most of the organization, they are prepared to use React.js or Angular. Next one is, once it is done the front-end side, then how will you develop the back-end services? So nowadays, most of the organizations, they are moving from monolithic application to microservices. So most of the organization, they are preparing to use microservices. So in Java, how you will be implementing microservices by using Spring Boot. So that's why you need Spring Boot to develop the microservices. Next, it is Java 8. So Java 8, why I am giving the version 8, Java 8. So a couple of years ago, of course, more than from last 2 to 3 years, most of the organizations, they moved from Java 6 to Java 8. And of course, the current Java version, it is Java 14. Even though we are having Java 14, the current latest version, still most of the organizations, they are using Java 8. Unless until there is a huge difference, they will not move next level. So in case if they will go next version, it could be Java 9, but not Java 14. So if you know Java 8, and also if you have done some good practices, it's very good. And the next it is Spring REST. So as I told you, to build the microservices, not Spring Boot is enough. And you should also need Spring REST experience. So, right, to build the RESTful web services in today's market, most of the organizations, they are using Spring REST. Next, it is Spring Security, Spring Cloud, ... So, it's like, the market currently, it is expecting security concepts, especially when you are, if other applications are connecting your application, or you wanted to connect your application with other applications, it could be within the organization or it could be outside the organization. Security matters. Because, for example, if you are working on the banking application, and for some reason you should connect it to third-party service for some information, maybe for news, or maybe to get some data, how will you interact with the other system? Because you are interacting with the third-party services, or you might be interacting, within the organization. You should have some security is placed. So nowadays it's like a Auth2, JWT token, OpenID Connect, like that. There are security concepts available. Of course, when we are discussing on the security related concepts, we can go in depth. But for now, Spring security is very important. And the next thing is Spring Cloud. Of course, when you are working on the microservices concept, you should be, if you know Spring Cloud, it will be added advantage. Next, it could be ORM, JPA with Hibernate. JPA with the Hibernate, it is, from last 6-7 years, maybe more than that, the industry is using. And because of it has flexibility and also easily you can interact with multiple databases on object oriented. It's like, object relational mapping, ORM technology it is. And the next it is to build this particular application, you should be having experience on Maven or Gradle. So once you are able to build the application, it's not enough. You're only building in your local. You should able to, you should need having little experience on Jenkins. That is a continuous integration server. The reason behind, if you are having multiple applications, and for build, release, deployment, for this, all the activities, you need to have minimum knowledge on the Jenkins. Next, it is once you have done the microservices development and you know the application is ready and where you will be deploying. So, especially for scalability, there are so many, maybe that is microservices concept. We will discuss more on scalability, all about microservices features. So for that reason, you should be, if you know some experience or you know something about private cloud or public cloud, it is game changer. It's a game changer. If you, it's like OpenShift, that is a private cloud, AWS or Azure, it is game changer technology. So overall, in this, React.js, Angular, Spring Boot with microservices, Java 8, Spring REST, Spring Security, Spring Cloud, ORM, JPA with Hibernate, Maven, Gradle, Jenkins, private cloud, public cloud is enough. But you can ask me, it's like where it is covered in test cases, integration test cases. Yes, it is there. I'm not able to give all under this particular stack because if I keep on adding, it will go 100 technologies. So those are minor and easily you can learn and do. For example, JUnit, there is a JUnit framework, and for integration test cases, you can use Cucumber. It's like this you can use. And moreover, it's like, for example, code quality, and all you can, keep Sonar, and a tool you can use IntelliJ or Eclipse. But all these I am not listing because it will become very big list. And these all the main technologies. And especially I've given the color green, red, and yellow. The reason behind whatever I given green, these are the second top skill, and red is, it's like a hard skill. If you know this, not just knowing is not enough. You should have good experience, especially microservices, Spring Security, AWS, Azure. If you are having experience, then your profile is in top listed. And the next thing is React.js, Java 8, OpenShift. After that, Spring REST, JPA, Jenkins. Remaining blue colored, don't underestimate. Those are equally prioritized. But these are, I am giving you because in the interview, most of the interviewers are interested on this particular skill set. But if you know all this, not enough, they will be asking you questions on almost all, but most of the questions you can expect on microservices, Spring Security, Java 8, React.js, and they will also try to cover Spring REST, JPA, Jenkins. Okay, when you are attending the interview, just not if you are prepared only theoretical, it won't work for you. I'm very sure. If you are having good practices and you are having good experience, it is plus. So I strongly recommend, if you do not know Java 8 and you were having only experience on Java 6, first you learn the concept, do some practices in your laptop, then you search. Second, microservices, if you know few concepts, not enough, you should expertise and you should try to understand what is microservices, what are the modules available, and what all are in trending modules, like that. And the string security, especially if you do not know how to do JWT and all, then most of the times they will start with security concepts. That's how you will get out. Okay, this is about the technology stack, how you can prioritize the technology, and how you can prepare. That is up to you. But overall, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.